In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to transfer all your iPhone pictures to the Google Photos app. This is useful if you're switching over from an iPhone to an Android device, or just prefer to keep your photos to the Google Photos app. And let's first open our web browser, and then we'll transfer the photos by using a service which Apple themselves provide. So what you'll do from here is to navigate over to privacy.apple.com. And then this is going to open a web page which looks like this. It will give you a couple of options on how you can manage and transfer your data. And we want to tap on this request to transfer a copy of your data, and then iCloud photos and videos to Google Photos right here. Next, and then you're going to select Google Photos as the destination on where you want to transfer these. You can then choose if you want to transfer the photos, the videos, or both, and then continue. You'll get a little message on how much storage space you will need on your Google account in order to transfer those photos from iCloud over to your Photos account. So make sure you have enough storage space in the Google Photos app. They will then ask you to select the Google account to which you want to transfer all of your iPhone pictures. So just select one if you have multiple here on this list, and then hit Continue. All that's left is that you follow the on-screen instructions, and then Apple is going to do all that's left for you. They're going to copy and transfer those photos to your Google Photos account.